Hi, today we're going to study in detail how I made $6,000 in 15 minutes with zero drawdown. The trade was on British pound against the US dollar, the 2nd of July. You can see it here on the screen. We'll see the plan, the narrative, the confirmations that made me enter the trade, and the reasons why I decided to enter at that specific time with precision and minimal risk. I will also explain to you an important mistake that I did when closing the trade, because if I had held the trade 15 minutes longer, I would have made $15,000 instead of $6,000. We know that it is essential and important to learn from your mistakes in order to succeed as a trader and to do anything great in life. So I'll be delighted to show you so we can grow and improve together. It was all called live in my mentorship Discord in front of my students. So I will also show you that to you so you can see it, how I enter live, what I'm thinking when I'm in the trade, and how it unfolded. It was beautiful to see. My name is Moises Altayo, and I've made over $1 million trading at 24. I started this channel to share the real truth about how the markets work and to show you how to trade the right way in order to build long-term wealth. I also have the best mentorship in the trading industry. If you don't believe it, go on my website and watch the entire video where I break it down. It's on the first link on the description, and you can apply there. I'll get to know you. If I see that you're good quality, I'll allow you inside. And now let's begin with this banger of a video. We will start with the higher time frame plan and narrative, because once you know where price is going, everything follows, and that's how you get the best entries with zero drawdown, the highest probability trades. It all starts in the monthly, the yearly, the quarterly chart, the weekly. And here what I was saying is that we took previous month high and previous week high as well. You can see it here on the weekly. Previous month high and previous week high is the same level. Not only that, but we took it and then we show signs of going lower or forming a possible high on the lower time frame, which is what we'll look at it now. Knowing that, I said, okay, if we show signs of forming a high, I'm confident that we're coming at least to here, to the 50% of the previous month, which is this low to this high, which is also a weekly candle range. Not only that, but if we go to the daily, we also had a daily FVG exactly at the same level, the 50%. And the price leg from the low that we take this liquidity and then expand to the high, the 50% of this price leg is also in here. As soon as I saw this, I was very confident that at least price will touch this. And this is my plan. I know that we're going lower. The question now is, where do I enter to have the maximum precision, to make the most amount of money with the minimal risk? If we go to the 4 hour as well, you see I have here marked 50% liquidity. I'm combining all these key levels of the 50% of the previous month and the weekly candle range, the 50% of the price leg, the daily FVG, always aligning it with a liquidity level. We have all these inefficiencies here. So once you see this, you're very confident that price, once we show the signs, we're coming here. Let's see now which are the signs that made me enter. I was looking at two specific swing lows, which is the 1 hour key swing low, which is this one, and then this one that was on the 15 minute. We'll also later study this high for the maximum precision with the 5 minute and 1 minute. But first, let's focus on my entry, which was the safest one. When you're entering here on the 5 and 1 minute, you're predicting that this is going to happen, that we're going to do a true breakout of this low and this low. which will mean that we will expand. In this case, the majority of traders, when you look at this low, I want you to ask yourself, are we breaking it truly? Yes or not? Are we breaking this low truly and then this becomes a breaker? Or are we doing a false breakout? This question is what will make you be able to enter with precision, with zero drawdown, and always be ahead knowing what's next. In this case, we don't do a true breakout because of this specific candle. What does that mean? False breakout, we go to the high, and here we stay ranging. Now, if you enter here expecting lower prices, you're already in big drawdown. Likely your stop loss is here. If you're risking 1% in a 200K account, you're losing around $1,000 at this point. On the 1 hour, the same exact thing happens. We dig into the low, we do a false breakout, and therefore we get a retracement. You can see we touch this inverse FBG. And then is when we do the true breakout in this specific candle. You can see that I put this circle here. This was my first entry, and this was my second entry. We will see them now in the lower time frame. The key is knowing when are we breaking this specific low truly. And I've given you so many signs. I don't want to reveal it here publicly. I would love to do it, but I like to keep it private and gatekeep it for my students and the people who have faith in me and trust in me, and they join my incredible community. But I truly believe that is the key to being profitable. Some of my best students, we've been talking about it now for weeks. It's understanding this, and you make thousands of dollars every day, every week, every month. You unlock an unlimited money machine. And once we do the true breakout, observe that we never return to the breaker. Now this becomes a breaker, this one as well. We never return into it. We just expand and go lower. And this is the first entry that I had during London at 3:45. I entered here 5 lots. Then we expanded. Here we did a retracement. And just before the big drop, which was quite funny, because I entered here just before it dropped. When I saw that we were breaking below this low, I added to the position, and then it dropped eventually, and that's where I made the $6,000. Here's where I exit, and we'll see now the mistake of exiting. But before that, I want to explain to you how will you enter with more precision. The key will be here. It will be using the 5-minute and the 1-minute key swing. In this case, the 5-minute will be this one. We could also consider this upper one. However, I like to focus on the ones that are obvious. This will be on the 1-minute, more lower time frame. That will give you the most precision, but you always need to align it with the 15, with the 1 hour, with the 5-minute, with the 4-hour chart. If not, if you're just blindly trading the 1 minute, you will always lose. And the same happens here. As soon as we do the true breakout, here, with the true breakout, we retest it, and this is the highest, most precise entry. Stop loss at this high or this one. If you're right, price should not take this. That's why your stop loss here is already good, because it should hold this breaker. This is the most precise, but you're still not safe. In order to be safe, we need first to break this, then break this. And you can see that until we don't break this truly, these specific lows, is not when we go. However, here you're predicting that we'll break them. That's why you have the biggest reward, but also slightly more risk than when you enter here, like I did. Now you may wonder, Moises, why did you exit here? If your target was here, look how we touch it perfectly and bounce and form the low. Why did you close it? Well, during this specific time, we had news coming. I think it was at 8:15 or at 8 a.m. New York time. We had news coming, and on DXY, we got this massive drop that you see here. And when you're watching this live, now you see that, okay, we come here and we reverse. So it doesn't seem that scary, but when you're live experiencing this, it's a different kind of feeling. You probably know it if you are trading actively. But the key, as if you look at EU, look at how high it went. This is 35 pips within minutes. However, British pound, it held very well. You see, while EU was going up, GBP was just consolidate because some news came that they were making the United Kingdom economy pretty weak. That's why it was remaining heavy to the sell side until we reached the target. So what was the mistake? It was being emotional when I saw this move, and I got scared that we may do a true breakout of this low and continue lower. However, what I said, if I just had wait 5 more minutes, as soon as I closed the trade, I remember I thought, I don't know, I have this feeling that we may do a false breakout here. And it's exactly what happened. With a false breakout of the low, and we reversed the whole move. And then 15 minutes later, we got to my target. Here's where I exit. And here we just got to the target. And would have been double, 13,014. Would have been an incredible trade. Pretty much 13,000 in 30 minutes. But it's a lesson. And the lesson here is to always be objective. Always let the chart tell you what's next. Don't just close because you feel emotional, because you see your profit go from 6,000 to 3,000 and then back to 6,000 and you decide to close. No, because if you just keep the logic, you'll have made $13,000, which is much better because you have zero risk as well since your entries are here. Let me show you now how I call it all live on the Discord. You can see I said Monday range in play. I'm short on British pound. Monday high, key swing, that's the XY. Here, the first entry that I took, 1.3716. Here I had the line mark the low that we are looking at on the 15 minutes. I was up 1,000. Then here's when I added, which was quite funny. Just before the big drop, I add another 5 lots. You can see my stop loss is here on the first position and the other on this one. I have a very tight stop loss. We dropped super quick. It was pretty much in 5 minutes, not even 15. I was up $6,000. Roman also, my best friend, was in the trade. He was up $15,000. He had a bigger position than me. And here I decided to close it. I was up 7,000 and my target was what we set down here. This is my live chart at the time. Around 13,000 will be, but I don't like the XY now after the news, so I close here. You can see all the execution, the entries and exits. Not bad for a few minutes. And here I had some hope that DXY will do a little retracement and GBP will give me another entry to short again. But it never did. It just continued. You can see it continued dropping and it went straight to the target. He was saying, I regret it closing. But very beautiful, very clean, zero drawdown, maximum precision as always. The kings of precision, looking at specific candles, at specific highs and lows, and always knowing what's going on with price, with time, having deep understanding of the markets. That is mastery, and with mastery comes money. And that's also my goal that with my mentorship. I'm not just making you a master in order for you to become rich, to become truly wealthy, to change the life of your family, of the people you love. But also I'm building a great network of successful traders that they're killing it. They're making thousands every week. You can see here they were 8,000 in a day. Imagine trading FBGs. Here the average monthly wage in 25 minutes at work. Pretty savage. But once you're a master, the money comes to you. And this is in Melbourne. And my goal is this. It's not just to make you successful, but to build the best traders, to gather them together so we can share our plans like I do here. Find better opportunities, grow together, and trading is a lonely journey. And I think that having this network is essential in order to grow and to keep going and to have always energy, to always be at your top level. So if you would like to join, please watch the video on my website. You will find the link on the description. It's the first link. You watch the entire video. It's 1 hour, 21 minutes. I explain my story, everything you need to know in detail. And then you can book a call and I'll get to know you. And I'll accept you if I see that you're high quality, that you have what it takes. And I'm confident I will change your life. Like I've done to everyone who is in here. I know everyone personally. I'm very close to everyone and it's like a family. So I'm very happy, I'm very grateful of how my life is going, my trading, the mentorship that I started, is everything going amazing. The YouTube as well, thank you guys for the support. And I'll see you guys very soon. I have a lot of videos lined up that are absolute bangers. I have a $10,000 trade in 1 hour. I have a risk management video. So psychology one, great things coming. And I'll see you guys very soon. Take care, have a great trading week, and God bless you. Bye bye.